In this video, I'll walk you step by step how to add gym members to your SimpleGym account. Adding members lets you do things like bill them, have them sign electronic contracts, email them, track their belts, and more. Let's get started. Start by clicking Members in the sidebar menu. On this page, you'll see all of your existing members. And now let's add a member by clicking the Plus Member button. On this page, you'll complete all of the profile details, account details, belt details, and emergency contacts. Now that you've completed this page, it's time to click Save. Next, you'll be prompted to enter all of the members' billing information. Again, once you've added all the billing information, click Save. Confirm. Next, you'll be prompted to have the member electronically sign their membership agreement. Notice this document is pre-populated with the member's contact information as well as their membership fees, as determined by which plan you assign them to. Finally, you'll be prompted to have the member sign their liability release waiver. That's it. You've now added the member, all of their information is saved. You can update it at any point, along with their billing information. And you'll notice that the member has been added to your member list. They'll automatically have their belts being tracked, their billing will be running, and they'll be available for contacts in the communications portal. If you have any questions about member management, check out our detailed support article. Or, if you have a question we haven't covered, you can ask our team directly by creating a support ticket.